Install the body roller. As a show toe size. Make holes on wall by measure. Pay attention to the hole distance, then peeping same horizontal line. Use your set screws to install trap and put stopper. Mounting door panel. Install activator. Install soft closing part. Remark before install the soft closing part. Pull the slider soft closing part back to the end till it locks. Test smoothness. Moving door panel test. Remark if the stopper or activator part does not work well after install, please adjust and tighten according to the actual situation.